So why is Instagram one of the best social media platforms for you to use as an athlete that wants to become an influencer or entrepreneur? In this video, we're gonna talk about one of 5 techniques for you to use to master Instagram and why it's such a good platform for you to become an influencer or entrepreneur. What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Athletic Stance, where we do mindset, strategy, and actionable approach videos just like this one. So if you like the content here, don't hesitate to press subscribe. Also, we have a lot of resources in the show notes, so if you're not seeing what you're looking for, definitely click see more and it'll extend that, and that should be below. So in this video, we're going to talk about one of 5 reasons why Instagram is so good as an athlete that wants to become an influencer or entrepreneur in the online space. So the first reason why Instagram is so good for athletes that want to become influencers or entrepreneurs is that you're fitting into a platform where people are it's a platform that people are gravitating to because it's a lot of short form content, and it's basically like a picture book. And unfortunately, in today's society, people's attention spans are shrinking, and the level of education that they want to give themselves, people unlike you and I, we're out there trying to educate ourselves every day, but there are people out there who just want entertainment, and that's fine. That is what they want, so let's provide it to them. Let's provide them some awesome pictures, some funny memes, some stuff about skiing, some stuff about sports, fit into the culture, because people innately love culture. They want to be a part of a culture. So as an athlete, you've been in the locker room and you've been in the places where funny interactions happen, when people are when you have those interactions, when you interact with people and the culture is set, or rivalries and all of these things. So if you can create memes and talk about culture and be a part of the culture that is that exists online, and just be short, witty, to the point, or create viral content revolving your athletic message, then you can leverage Instagram, and people will gravitate towards you because it's funny, it's quick, it's short form, and it shows your intelligence because you can appeal to people in a very quick way where the pattern interrupt is there and people want to stop and look at what you have because of your content. So it's all about the short form content filling into what other people are already trending to do, which is more short, concise, actionable content. And then from there, it's just about leveraging your message and your voice. Which brings us to the question of the day. What is your favorite feature on Instagram? I personally am loving the story mode right now. Reality television conditioned us to love story mode, to be a part of what's going on with people's lives. So my favorite is the story mode. Don't forget, all the best actionable advice and information will be over in the comments below. So the best education is going to come from you guys. Don't forget to interact down there. As always, I appreciate you stopping by The Athletic Stance. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out the next video, check out right here. If you want to check out more videos like it, check out this video right here.